Hi everybody, it's me, Pet, the developer of ICECreatureControl, and I want to show you today how you can work with ICE and UFPS. So, I have prepared here a small demo scene. We have already our troll inside the scene. Here is our troll. Yeah, our troll currently have only animation component, ICECreatureControl as a rigid body and capsule collider. Here. And nothing else. So we have a home location here, so the troll has the order to running around within the random positioning range here at a circular range of 14 units, and you have to travel, have to idle if you have a rendezvous, and do later activities if you're within the random positioning range. So now we want to start directly with our UFPS player. Here for this we're using the Hero HD weapons. Put the weapon player here inside the scene. Okay, so and now I can start directly, and you will see the troll is walking around, but totally ignore the player and also the damage and all the attacks of the player. Yeah. He ignores totally. It's just running around within the random positioning range. So now I want to show you first how the damage works without any adapter. And for this you just need to adapt. Here we select the projectile pistol bullet, and on this projectile you find the VPFX bullet script. So and here you see the default settings. The default is damage mode is a damage handler. This is a UFPS damage handler, the original damage handler of UFPS, and the damage method name. So first we change the damage mode to Unity message, and the damage method name to apply damage. So now we need to increase a little bit the damage because the default health of our troll, I can show you here, the default health of our troll is 100. So I could increase now this value, or, and this is what I do here, is I will increase the damage. So 25. If I don't do it, I need 100 shots, 100 hits to kill the creature, and so we increase it to 25, so the creature should die with 4 hits. So now we can directly start. Yeah, damage mode is Unity message, damage method name is apply damage, and now we can test the scene again. Yeah, you see, now I can directly kill the creature just by adapt the damage mode and the damage method name. So, but now I want to show you also how it works with the damage adapter. For this I go back here to the original damage handler, and I set here also back this to the default. The damage, we let it increase to 25. So, what I do now, I have to explain the creature that the creature have to use also the UFPS damage handler. And for this, we have to do two steps. First, we have to explain ICE integration that you have to use UFPS. This we can do by hand, just by open the project settings, the player settings here, and we can go to the scripting define symbols, ICE UFPS. So we can enter this by hand, yeah, and the scripting define symbol directly signals to ICE integration that you have to use the UFPS damage handler. So I can do it by hand, or you can do it also automatically by using the ICE integration menu. So for this you go here to the ICE menu, ICE integration, and now you can click on identify supported assets. So click on it, and now ICE will scan the complete project for known and supported assets. So while doing so, you will get a lot of errors. Don't worry, these errors are completely normal, because ICE don't know which build target groups you are using in your project. So ICE will test it all available target groups. Yeah, and if ICE tries to check a group who does not exist, then you will get an error. But you can ignore these errors completely. Just click clear. No, come on. So clear, and the console is clear again, and you don't get the errors again. Yeah, this errors comes only while clicking here ICE integration identify supported assets. But you can also see what's happened. Now ICE found the ICECreatureControl package, the ICE environment package, and ICE UFPS. So, and that's exactly what we need, ICE UFPS. So now ICE integration knows that you want to use UFPS, and that ICE have also to use the UFPS damage handler. Now you have to do the second step, and the second step is to add now an converter, an adapter for the damage to your ICE creature. You can find this adapter in ICE integration, scripts, components, ICE world damage adapter. So just drag and drop this script here to your creature, and everything is fine. So now we can start again, and you can see we will kill now the creature just by do these two steps. So come on. So our creature is running. No. Sorry, but my laptop is really slow if I'm running, so the targeting is really hairy. Now come on. Ah, good. So, yeah, sorry. But if I start the recording, the power of my laptop goes completely down. So, you have seen That's all you have to do. I remove all this. Remove here. Go, where's the project settings? Player. And I remove this. Yeah. So, and do all the same again. Here. Click on ICE. ICE integration. Identify supported assets. Now we have ICE underbar UFPS defined as a scripting defined symbol. Here we can clear the errors. And now we need to add ICE ward damage adapter to the creature. That's all. So that's fine. We can test it again. So, maybe I can do the capsule collider a little bit larger, so it's easier to hit the creature. Okay, now our creature is using a Reactor, yeah, and this Reactor, it's defined here, status, creature control status, and we have here the corpse. Yeah. Now you have to know, you can check here also, use UFPS damage handling. If you check this, the damage handling will be forwarded to the original damage handler of UFPS. In this case, if the creature is dead, the UFPS damage handling will handle the dead creature and not ICE anymore. So if you check here, ICE UFPS damage handling, use UFPS damage handling, then the corpse will not be triggered anymore, because all this is doing by additional UFPS scripts or by your own scripts. Yeah. So be careful while checking this. Okay, so now we want that the creature can also attack the player. So for this we have to teach our creature, or we have to teach first the CreatureRegister that the player is inside the game. And for this we click here on the player. We go here to the ICE menu, Creature Control components, and now we add the player component to the Hero HD Weapons player. So it's done. Should be the last one. Yeah, a lot of components. Yeah, ICE Creature Player. Yeah. You don't need status, player, inventory, events. All this is not interesting for you. You can disable all this. Yeah. We only need the ICE Creature Player script here for the registration during the runtime. So, and if we go here now in the CreatureRegister, at the moment you can see we have no player in our script. Now I can do update, and now we have the Hero HD Weapons creature in our register. And if we start now the scene, you can, yeah, be careful, have a look to these numbers here. Now our player will registered directly at the start. Yeah, here's our player. Yeah, here's our troll, and we have also a location. So, but now it's registered, and now our player can be found also by the creature. Now we can go to the creature and set a simple interactor. So add interactor, enabled. Yes. So now you can see here in the pop-up our hero HD weapons is also listed now. Now the selection criteria, the priority we set it to 50, and the selection range should be 25. So that's all we need here, and the standard behavior should be a run. So whenever our hero is within the selection range, our creature will directly start to run to the hero. So, and we use directly here the advanced behavior settings, and for the rendezvous, so if the creature is within the stopping distance, if the hero is within the stopping distance, then our creature should directly attack our hero. So I apply all this. So that's fine. So this was the complete settings, what you need, that our creature will attack now our hero, our player. So yeah, you see it's directly selected. I'm running away a little bit. Yeah, now it's not selected, so I can go a little bit closer. Our creature comes and directly starts to attack. Yeah, so looks good, but maybe I have to increase here the stopping distance. We can set it to 3, maybe it's okay. So, and our creature should not come too close, so we ban, so you have to stop at the stopping distance. So apply all this. Good, but you see, now our creature attacks the player, but there is no impact. Yeah, no effect. Yeah, he's going to the creature and starts as attack animation, but there is no no result. Our player will not be damaged. Yeah, that's a better. Okay, 3 units was too much, so we increase it here a little bit, 2.5, and apply. So we need now an impact, and this impact we could force with an item the creature is using, for example a sword or something like this, a weapon, or another tool, or also its body part. And in this case we want to use the body part, the hand, as a body part to send impacts to the player. So for this we go here in the hierarchy of our creature. It's a spline. So, and here we have the right hand. Yeah, and the first thing what we need here is now ICECreatureControl, add body part. So now we have a body part here. Yeah, a marked body part. And now we need an trigger. So this body part realized contacts to other objects. So we use a sphere, yeah, not so large. So radius, yeah, maybe a little bit larger. Yeah, okay, so 6. That looks good. Now we need the impact. We have to define the impact, and for this we enabled here impact, and now we constant the damage transfer. It's a direct, it's okay, and the damage value, it's 10. Okay, we click here. So normally this would be enough, but you will see what's happened. So come on. So nothing has happened, because in addition, oops, so in addition, yeah, and we are too far, it's not good. We do a little bit closer. It looks like that he hits the air. Oops, yo. Now he is close and directly killed us. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to do the opposite thing. Here we send now a damage value of 10, but the health of our creature, of our player, is 1. So we have to decrease this default value a lot. So also here 25. So okay. He don't hits me. It's too far away. So I have to go back to our drawer, and we have to, yeah, we set it to 2. So okay. Oops. Yeah. Okay, but you can hit her a little bit stronger. Go back to the hand. So now it should be a good value. We will test it. Yeah, it's okay. Running away. Okay, so now our player can kill the creature and our creature can kill the player. Now I want to define also another body part to show you how it works with a headshot. And for this we defined here for the head. We set also a body part. Creature body part. Yeah. And we define also a sphere. Fine. And adapt the sphere. Oh. Yeah, it's okay. Oops, wrong axis. So, yeah, okay. So, and now I have a body part for the head, and now I can say here, status enabled. We want to use a damage transfer. So instead of the normal durability, we activate here the damage transfer multiplier, and we said each damage who hits the head will be multiplied with 25. Or we can do it also stronger with 50. Yeah. So, and now we can test it. But it's really hard. Okay, so we do it more easier. The multiplier is 100, so 1 should be enough, and I increase the radius because I'm terrible sniper. Oh no, okay, not so terrible. Yeah, something like this. It's okay. Yeah, oh, okay, I forget something. First, we need also the damage handler, and so we have to add here also the damage handling. Yeah, so the received impacts here will convert it to the from UFPS to ICE. Otherwise, the main body will receive the damages. So, and I think we need also a rigid body, but I want to test it here. Yeah, now it works fine. So now we can do headshots, but in addition, okay, we can really decrease it a little bit. It's so something like this, yeah. So, and in addition to this, we can also say, if our player comes in contact with a mouse, yeah, then he get also damage, yeah. And for this we can also activate here the impact and set the damage value. And this damage value is more dangerous. What we have here for use for this, it's 7.5. So we can here really, if the troll starts to bite the creature, the player, we can do here, yeah, 2. Okay. Oops. Yeah, okay. It's really dangerous. No. Running away. Okay, but that works. Okay, now I want to show you another thing. At the moment we have just one creature. So, and this creature have to attack the player. But if we use now the pool management for our drawer here, yeah, playing, so rect 10, it's okay. So, and we want 5 drawers at the same time. So will be all there at the beginning and not the last. Yeah. So, and the respawn time should be 5 to 2 to 5 seconds. So, now we have. Now we want to use as a CreatureRegister will spawn directly 5 trolls at the beginning, and for this we have to disable our original troll. So back to the creature, and now you will see a problem, because you will see it. Okay, you directly see it. The creatures, so our trolls, comes now in contact with the body parts of other trolls, and this will kill everybody. everyone directly. So for this, to avoid this, we have to protect the body parts. So our creature and our player, it's on the local player layer, and so we can say here that this body part is only dangerous for the local player layer. And for this you can go here back to the body part, enable the behavior, enable the layer mask, and now you can define here where's it, local player. Yeah, so the same we have to do also for the head. Go to behavior, enabled, add a new layer, enable this layer and set this layer to local player. So now this impact will be only dangerous for all objects which are on the local player layer. So in the moment it's only the local player, the Hero HD weapons. So sort. So and now the things are handled. Now our trolls will not kill. Oh, they will kill me. Okay. Oh. Oh, they kills me too fast. So that's not fair. Yeah. Oh, okay. So at the moment, the player all the time starts directly here, and I will place the player a little bit far away, so it's more safe to respawn. So running around. Now they follow me. Yeah. Yeah, I really have to. But no, so creatures will not kill themselves. And I will kill the creatures. Okay. And directly new one spawn. So, okay. Yeah. This was the steps which you need to combine ICE and UFPS, and also I have shown you some other tricks, yeah, with the body parts, impact, and also with the headshots, how to realize headshots with the creatures. So I hope it will be was helpful for you, and we'll prepare further tutorials for you, so it's more easier for you to work with ICE. Thanks so much, and goodbye.